It's my channel and today's another video of the Cooking Diaries. So today I'm gonna be making fried rice. I was vlogging, I was just doing like a day in the life, like my weekly summer diary thing. I was like, wait, this could be a cooking diary episode. So let me show you guys what I have going on. Oh, this has some sausage, carrots, green onion, this onion, paprika, curry, this cube, this thing, soy, so eggs, and this is the rice. I'm going to take a bit of this and put it here so it can dry out a bit more. And this is what I'm gonna eat it. This I'm gonna crack the eggs in, and yeah. So let's get into it.
Chase the thrill, with it every desire we meant to fulfill. Caught in a frenzy, we dance in this way. In the pursuit of more, we'll find our way. With every chase.
Guys, I need to know like the order in which to like pour something, because I know the probably supposed to like fry the onions, make them like cook. But like I don't know if I'm supposed to put all this because I like my cabbages stuff, not cabbage carrots, so like I should probably put it in as well. So the color, and I don't know if I should put the egg in or not before the spices. Probably, so that the egg will be seasoned. So then these fry it and then I put the egg in. Or I put the egg in now. Anyways, I think we're gonna go let it fry this a bit more. Then I put the egg in.
Through the highs and lows, we crave the rush. In the whispers of temptation, we hush. Bound by desire, we'll never sway. In the realm of excess, we'll stay. With every risk we take and chances we make, in this path we'll stray, forever in the greedy way. In the hunger of the night we'll soar, almost craving for something more. With every beat will lead us.
This is it. I almost burned the egg, like the stir fry, but this is it. It looks good. I'm excited to taste. Let's see. So I'm gonna taste it. I hope. I hope it's good. I think it's gonna be good. I'm scared. I feel like maybe there might not be salt. Salt might be the problem. I've never seen anyone make fried rice like this. I just add stuff. Stop the It's good. This one is perfect. It's good. It's good. Anyways, guys, this is not about giving you the recipe. I'm just want to get into cooking. So this series is gonna push me to cook more. But yeah, I want to make pizza soon. So that might be the next time. I'm not too sure, but it might be like a random episode. Like I'm making something out of the blue. I made pasta, noodles, and it was so good, but I didn't vlog. Someone was telling me vlog. I was like, so yeah. But I'm glad I vlogged this one. It's really good. I think that Korean, but it really did add some flavor. But I don't think it's for fried rice. I think it's for just normal stew. This is good. This is really good. You can't miss my food. Bam. This is really good. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more cooking summer videos. And I'll talk to you guys later. I have to get back to the vlog I'm filming.